Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be creating a cat and mouse game inspired by the classic TV show Tom and Jerry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use an if-then loop, utilize a second block, implement the point towards function. So let's jump right in and get started. First, let's look at my own cat mouse game, which I've shared with the Scratch community. It's a simple chase game with basic programming elements, nothing too complicated. This is exactly what we will be creating today. Let's create a new project and call it Cat and Mouse Game. Scratch conveniently provides us with a cat sprite to start with. Now it's time to code. Let's start with the basics. Drag the one green flag clicked in the events section. This will be our starting point for the code. Set the initial position. Add a go to x0, y0. This ensures the cat starts at the center of the stage. Make the cat follow the mouse. Use the point towards mouse pointer cursor. This makes the cat follow your mouse cursor. Attach a move 10 steps and the next costume block to animate the cat as it moves. The game interaction. Add the game interaction. Insert an if block from the control section. Inside the if block, place a sensing block that says touching mouse pointer. This will trigger an action when the cat catches the mouse. End the game. Within the if block, add a stop all block. This will end the game when the cat touches the mouse. Keep the game running. Last of all, wrap the entire sequence in a forever loop. This will keep the game running until the cat chases the mouse. Now let's test this thing. So it's always going to x0, y0. Forever, it moves 10 steps and points towards mouse pointer. They always change the costume as it looks like it's running. And when the cat touches the mouse pointer, everything stops and the game is over. And that's it. You just created a simple yet fun cat and mouse game. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more coding videos. Thanks for watching.